In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Linktree in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable Linktree entry that points directly to your Canva project and looks great on your profile. First, head to Canva and open the project you want to feature. This can be any design you'd like people to view, maybe a portfolio piece, a pricing sheet, a media kit, or a menu. Make sure you're inside the editor so all the sharing options are visible and your latest changes are saved. Think of this project as the destination your audience will land on when they tap your Linktree button. Next, look to the top right of the Canva editor and click Share. In the Share menu, choose Copy Link. This grabs a direct link to your project and places it on your clipboard so you can paste it in the next step. That copied URL is the core of what you'll add to Linktree. Keep it handy, you'll use it in just a moment. Now, go to Linktree and open the Links section. This is your central dashboard for adding and organizing the buttons your audience will see. It's where you control what appears first, what gets highlighted, and how everything is grouped visually. Inside Links, click Add. This opens a menu of different item types you can place on your Linktree. For a straightforward Canva project, the standard link option is perfect, simple, quick, and easy for viewers to understand at a glance. Choose Link. This tells Linktree you're adding a regular URL that will appear as a button on your profile. It's the most common and most flexible block for directing traffic to content you've created elsewhere. Paste the Canva link you copied earlier into the link field, then click Link to confirm and create it. Linktree may detect a title automatically based on your URL, and you'll see a preview appear in your list. The goal here is to make sure that tapping this new button takes people straight to your Canva project. To refine the appearance, click Layout. This area controls the look and feel of your Linktree so everything stays cohesive with your brand or aesthetic. A well-chosen layout makes your links easier to scan and more inviting to tap. Finally, click Thumbnail. Turning on thumbnails makes your link more visual and recognizable at a glance, helping it stand out among other buttons. A clean, eye-catching thumbnail can boost clarity and clicks. That's it, you've connected your Canva project to your Linktree, given it a professional look, and made it effortless for your audience to find. Thanks for watching, and great job getting this set up.